Hi guys, my name is Dan. I'm from Cardiff Met Archers Basketball Club, and today our four coaches are going to show you some different basketball skills. You can use whatever equipment you have available at home, and you can do them seated or stood up. If you want to make them a little bit harder for yourself, you can try and go a little bit quicker, or you can try and get further away. We'd love to see how you're getting involved with these skills, so make sure you tag us on social media at Archers Basket. But most importantly for us is making sure you have some fun. And now here's our coaches to tell you more about each skill.
Hi, I'm Levi and I'm going to be demonstrating some rebounding skills. You just need any type of ball, and all you're going to do is throw the ball up against a wall and try and catch it. Alternatively, you could throw a ball or anything you have, such as socks, up into the air and see if you can catch it. You can also do this sitting down.